Hello guys and welcome here. So in today's video we are going to talk about the ACOSH function inside of Microsoft Excel. So please take note, this is not the same as the ACOSH function. So what exactly does the ACOSH function does? So it will give us the cosinus the inverse hyperbolic cosinus of a certain number. So in our case, the numbers will start at 1 since the ACOSH of 1 will be 0. If you try to run this function on negative numbers, it will give you an error sign. So what we're going to do here is we are going to run this function on the numbers below. And then after that, we are going to create a chart for our function. So let's start. So how exactly can we run the ACOSH function? So it's pretty simple. We're simply going to go on our cell. You can write down a number on your left and then write down equal and write down ACOSH. So really important, it's not the ACOS that give us the arc cosinus of a certain number. In this case, it's going to be the ACOSH, and we are going to select the cell that contains the number that we want to have our hyperbolic inverse cosinus. So it's going to be the cell B2 in our case. And then what we can do, we can simply run our function, and as you can see, it's going to be 0 for the number 1. So let's take it right here and drag it down for all our numbers. So we'll do it from 1 to 200. And as you can see, this is pretty much the ACOSH of all the numbers. I have a really big number right here. So it's going to be 10 at it's going to be 1 at power 140. Well, 10 at power 140. So it's going to be 10 followed by 140 zeros. And if we do the ACOSH of this number, as you can see, it's going to be 323. So you can have a small idea of the type of chart that we are going to have for the ACOSH. So if we run it with those numbers right here, we go in insert and then simply recommended chart. And you'll be able to see the type of chart. So this is the type of chart that we are going to receive. And here we go. So we have our chart right here. So we can, the x's that are here, we can run them through to infinity. And here the ACOSH, what's going to happen is that it's going to go like this. So it's going to be inverse. It's not going to be this way. It's going to be this way. So please take note, I'm not a mathematician. I'm not the best to explain, but this is how pretty much the Microsoft Excel function ACOSH works in Microsoft Excel. So as always, if you liked this video and if now you can use the ACOSH function, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.